And in today's video, we will be talking about views in Salesforce org. And currently, for record, we have three view types. First being table, second is Kanban, and third is a split view. For each object, either it's a custom or standard, we are able to change the views to better view and understand the records available for us. And if I go directly to my org, which is a Trailhead org and Salesforce, I am reviewing lead leads, right? So this is all records I have available right now. It's up to 18, and you already guys noticed this section. And then currently we are seeing this view, which is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It's displaying all records line by line, and then you can see fields. In this case, it's company, have a state, email, right? We can see exactly, right? But if we want to, if for example you want to see different view for all of your records, you probably have to go directly to this section, right? And then change it from table view to, let's say, Kanban. And for people who are familiar with Kanban, or maybe have a chance to work with Jira or Trello, it basically has the same type of display functionality, which is amazing, guys. Like, maybe it will be very helpful for you. So for this staging for leads, I think I have currently um, so right now you can actually drag and drop, right? And each time you drag and drop, the status of your leads is changing. So for example, so let me go to the details section, record types, virus, so lead status, right? So that's what's being changed right now. So let's see. Right now, if I switch it here, it's basically switching the lead status. So I throw it back, it becomes again open, from working contacted to open, from closed to open. It's basically saving you a lot of time, and if you work with a team of members, it's easy to manipulate. And actually, let's say if you do ticketing and you want to change the staging, it's an easy way to do so, correct? So let me demonstrate you the other view, which in this case is split view. And a split view is essentially type of view where you can open several windows in the same window. So as you can see, I have this section currently displaying all of my records, right? So if I want to scroll and see all of my records, but if I want to actually, like previously, for example, you will have to go deeper. But in this case, if I click on one of the records, it's automatically opening up for me. So if I want to quickly open a different one, or in this the step Kathy, I'm able to see and then change and do my changes directly. I guess it's easier and simple way to do so, correct? Let's switch back to table. See, on the table, you actually can see detail version on a high level for each record. And then if I click on one of those, you see you can see only one window, right? I personally prefer, it depends, like if you ask me a question, which will be the best or most convenient, it depends what type of activities you get to do on your org. For example, salespeople, they probably will prefer to work or service people, right? They will prefer to work on split view because that way they easily are able to respond to clients or follow up with any lead, for example. But let's say if you get to work as a team of members working on different stages of your tasks, and you want to if I'm like, let's say I'm a lead, I'm displaying my window, and I want to switch quickly the status of my lead based on the conversation over the Zoom, or my manager tells me, I can quickly share my screen and quickly change it. So that's what you guys currently learn. So as I mentioned, there's a three type of views in Salesforce: table, Kanban, split view. So make sure you guys memorize in case somebody asks you on your Salesforce admin interview, or if you have a question on your exam that comes asking you about views in Salesforce. So currently you've seen how to work and manipulate and see and change those views, guys. Let me know if it's helpful or if you have any additional questions. Glad to have you guys, and see you in the next one.